Welcome, AI Explorers, back to Tingenuity AI's YouTube channel. We are excited to bring you another episode of Midjourney Monday, together with my brother Warren, who's an experienced graphic designer and all-around artificial intelligent Midjourney Monday image magician. Go ahead, man. Tell us what.
Wow, that was a lot there.
I know.
All
I was
right.
trying to come up with more alliteration, but you go for it.
We're going to dive under the ocean today with our exploration. We're going to look at a simple prompt, and we're going to change one element in it to see what the AI platform takes of that. So right now we're looking at Aquatic Wonders with a dreamlike quality with high definition. So this is the start of the prompt, and we're going to change that high definition to a number of other things. So first we're going to use this as a baseline for our exploration. We're going to look at this. Oh, what happened? Oh, well, now it starts. Okay. Something went wrong with the Midjourney platform. Now we're going to test it with a different style. While we wait for that one to kick in, we're going to say impressionist style. So we're going to change the high definition to impressionist.
And while those are happening, I'm going to make one that's pointillism, just to kind of see like different approaches to see what it does with that.
And
little dots.
I'm going to do some cubism.
Very cool. I wonder, we should do an example where we pick an artist, and when I think of, I'm thinking of surrealism. Who's the guy with the? It's Dali, Salvador Dali. I want to do that one.
Oh, yeah.
No, I mean I think this is a good.
Okay, so this
Dali.
the high definition one looks like a wallpaper that you would find on Windows 95.
Yeah, there you go.
So it's okay. It's not. I mean, yeah. So now we'll look at what it's creating here with these other types of styles, and already I can see the nuance is much better rather than the high definition. So it really focused on what those defining features in this one. Obviously, we can see all the coral, the vibrant colors, the light cascading through the water here, the fish. So it provided a lot of detail in high definition. But now we're looking at
your impressionist one, bud. It looks awesome.
Okay, here's the impressionist version, and you can see, oh, I love the kind of Monet's flowers in the water.
Yeah, that's kind of
Here
what it
with-
looks like. That's Monet, yeah.
Yeah, and then we've got definitely kind of a high brush pass on this one with the fish in the top right. The bottom right looks pretty good. It's kind of Pixar-ish. The other one has flowers underwater, or they appear to be. Maybe they're closer to us in the foreground rather than the background. But I like the impressionist style versus the kind of really static high definition where it's like, we're just going to do this, where this has more artistry to it. Pointillism, this is definitely interesting. These more solid shapes and really defined feel to it. I like it. What else do we get? Cubism. Okay, so this is definitely pulling in that geometric,
I love it.
those geometric patterns. I really like the bottom right here and the top
these.
right. Those
Yes.
are really interesting, fascinating exploration with that.
I like all of
And
these.
then, now here we go. This is definitely more in that realm of chaos and interest here. We've got fish flying
This is
around on the bottom
Salvador
left.
Dali one.
Right. We've got a city growing from the head of a person or a sculpture under the ocean, which is I really like it. I'm digging it. So
the dolphins out of the water on the bottom left.
right.
That's
Those are really neat. And it definitely has that feel of his style. So for our viewers, you can see that if you infuse a type of style and even an artist name in here, it's going to really dictate what you get from your prompt. Because they have trained it on those particular types and styles and artists, particularly very famous artists like Dali or Picasso and others. So you can use that to your advantage as you explore other prompts in your Midjourney explorations. So thanks for joining us. As always, subscribe, like, and do anything else to get notifications of our new videos.
Thanks, Warren. Thanks for leading us on another Midjourney Monday, and we will see you next week here on our YouTube channel for more image exploration. Thanks.